Previously on
Nick's Mustang disaster.
Ooh, what is that? That's gear oil. So I think I blew up a rear axle seal probably. I guess I know what I'm doing next. I think I'll just start it the way I normally do. Just be like, hey, get down. Ah! No!
Oh, did you get the claws in there?
Yes! Damn you!
He's like, hug me.
Back it up. Back it up. Sit down. Got it pretty good. You asked for puppy content in the comments. You get puppy content. You're ruining my paint. Don't even think about it. Let me get this over with quickly before all the paint is stripped off my car. Hi, we're back. I'm fixing the axle. Evan's here. Hello, Evan. It's Evan.
Yeah, that's me. I'm Evan.
That's Evan. So, axle seals,
Yeah.
axle bearings,
Alright.
and then,
What's in the box?
while we're in there, if I can figure out how boxes work, how do boxes work?
Pretty sure it's just a bunch of squares and a little bit of math.
You're not wrong. It's a new diff.
Yeah.
It's an Eaton True Track. So this is a helical type or a torsion type differential to replace the factory really crappy clutch type. And normally I like clutch types. That's what I put in that car, and that's what this car has. But the factory clutch type in these are really weak even when they're brand new, and this one has like 179,000 miles on it. So basically it's just an open diff. So the reason I got this one, everybody online says they're really good, and the internet is never wrong. B, this car is going to be used primarily for renting it out for fast sideways classes. So a helical type differential requires basically no service past what an open diff needs. So it's just simple. I don't have to think about it. And C, they're really cheap. This was, I think, $560, which in the world of aftermarket differentials is like unthinkably inexpensive. And if it's really as good as people say it is, or at least as high quality as people say it is, then that is a super good deal for what should be a really good deal. So, this is all going in. Oh, and then I also got these, which are camber bolts. Because I'm an idiot, as we've already discussed on several occasions, and my camber plates were wrong, so this is the quick and dirty and cheap method to hopefully get just a little bit of camber out of the front end. Better than the like 1 degree that it has now. And maybe I'll even align the car this time, which I definitely did not do after I lowered it. So, with all of that, oh, and pause, stay there.
Do 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 do. Oh wow!
Tires. These are Maxxis RC1 tires, but they're the old compound, and this is how I'm cheating with my own rule set, because these are like 50% off or 60%, a lot off. They're really, really inexpensive right now. So if they happen to still be available on the website after this video comes out, go buy some, because the retail is market value. It's market value. Even though they're brand new, it's market value. So these are about the same speed as an NT01 because it's the old compound. But they're new, so it's faster than those. I don't know. I think this plus this. Oh, it's gone. Plus the camber bolts. Oh no, they're right here. I think all of that together is sub 2. We're gonna do it.
Yeah, breaking records.
Let's do it. Simple and short.
I got you. Right.
know.
A little
All good.
A little bit of love can take it a long way. And this guy will just sit right here.
It does seem like the car has a little bit of brake drag. So if it's not there,
Look at the rotor.
it's not great.
So you look at this little guy where it's like it looks like it's skipping a little bit.
Hot spots.
Yeah. With your drilled rotors.
Hey man. They came with the car.
You know, a little sample. I've never hurt nobody.
Alright, it's worth pointing out that I haven't messed with a diff like 7 or 8 years probably, and the only time I've ever touched a solid axle diff was when I was in school longer than that ago. Evan, have you done this?
No. I won't lie to you. This is my first time.
Okay, so maybe the comments will tell me about everything we're doing wrong. But I think what we're supposed to do is pull that clip out of there, and then that should expose the C clips, and then we can pull the axles out of the sides, and then pull these caps off, and then very carefully take the carrier out, keeping in mind that there's going to be shims on both sides, and we have to put this back in the same way. Keep everything, make sure that these go back in exactly the same way that they came out.
Sounds like a plan.
Take off the ring gear, put the ring gear onto the new diff, or the new carrier, put the new bearings on the new carrier, and drop that in, and then the rest of it.
That sounds right.
And push.
Nice.
So now the axle should just come right out. Oh yeah, that's
That sounds
On there.
progressive. Dang, you even come with your own gun noises. Gentle?
yeah.
Doesn't make any sense.
Should I Google this first?
Maybe. There it goes.
It's going?
Yeah, let's go.
It's gonna go right into my eyeball. Ugh. Oh,
Hooray.
come on. We're doing it. I'm gonna say the torch was what did it.
You know what? I agree.
Okay, let's not play games anymore. We're there. Just come out.
Perfect. Take that.
This feels like such an old school thing that we're doing right now.
Using hammers and stuff?
Like, this whole process doesn't exist on modern cars.
Yeah, actually, it's really easy on my car.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Evan,
What?
look.
Oh, I can see the light. Oh, damn it, right in the eye.
Why?
Oh, come on.